not in national figure. From small time lang yung aking Davao sa kanto lang. Pero wala akong partido at wala akong meron pero kakaunti yung pera na binigay para sa akin. And even in the ratings, hanggang 3-4 lang ako. So I was not really expecting big. But somehow the possibility of winning was there. But it was as clear as to anybody else. With so little money, ang mga aeroplano kung kaya kong rentahan, nagka-crash pa kami paminsan-minsan kasi nga wala man akong pera. But it was only after nagtaas na ang rating ko, yung pera dumating. So I was able to carry on a credible campaign. Now, let me ask you, bakit ninyo ako binuto? Wala naman akong track record. Dahil wala akong masyadong promises. Kasi sa debates, sa presidential debates, kung nakita ninyo, pinibigyan lang kami ng 1 oras at kalahati, 1 minuto at kalahati. Sabi ko, anong isasabi ko sa ganung? So, everybody was talking. Ako sabi ko, ito lang ang mapangako ko at gagawin ko talaga. I will stop corruption in government. Today, may isa akong cabinet member that during the meeting, I caught him lying. Sa karamihan ng mga cabinet members kami, sinabi ko, putang ina ka, you're fired. Kung umalis ka. Tapos yung isang agency, tinitignan ko kasi kano ang early game because yung mga agencies na may 150 billion, akala nila hindi ko binabantayan yan. So lahat ng transaction, alam ko, at during may isang meeting sa mga regional directors, sinabi ko sa kanila, anong nangyari? Putang ina, sabihin ninyo kung anong nangyari. Kaya, right there and then, sinabi ko sa aide ko, you call him, kasi Sabado,